which is exactly what Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE is all about. It gives you the power and creative freedom to make style your very own. The beautiful thing about style is that there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE also comes in bubblegum blue, peach pink, two very popular colors, previously available only in the 4G version. We also have the truffle black, and of course, my new favorite, snowflake white. Just how slim is the slimmest? At only 6.81 millimeters, it's incredibly slim. NE is beautifully designed from the back, and at the front too. The display is what you interact with most on your smartphone, whether it be texting, typing, shopping, or reading. And so NE features only the industry's leading 10-bit flat AMOLED display. That's bright, sharp, and detailed to look at. Your favorite content will come to life on your screen in a vibrant splash of color of anywhere. NE gives you the freedom to capture and show your style wherever you are with its powerful camera. Let's take a look at these amazing snaps you can take with the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G New Edition. First, with the high-res main camera, you'll be able to perfectly capture every photo opportunity, whether inspiration strikes on the street or at the beach in this case. NE lets you capture crystal clear photos where no details go unnoticed. NE also features an ultra-wide camera that not only lets you shoot beautiful landscape shots, but also wide-angle portraits where you can add mood and unique angles to your captures. And finally, a telemacro camera that allows for exquisitely detailed close-up shot, like this capture here of a light and delicate feather, shot by a Xiaomi fan. It's a camera that really lets you see things in a whole new perspective. But there's no curfew for great photography, which is why the new edition comes in night mode, so that you can document your life 24/7. Night mode on the main camera means a lack of light is never an issue when you want to show off your best look in the evening. This shot captured in low light is so clear, you can even notice the details of every shiny discs on a beautiful sequin dress. Night mode also works on ultra-wide lens, and it works wonders for when you want to capture more of that nightscape background to complete your evening look. Now, powering what you just saw and all the amazing features on this phone is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G. This processor is power efficient and more than capable of handling heavy tasks smoothly. You can switch between your social media apps instantly, play games, take perfect photos as you're on the go with speed and style. Its ability to connect to 5G speeds will also guarantee you won't fall behind the trend. Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE also supports dual 5G SIM. It means you can be more efficient by maintaining two different 5G numbers and contact lists for different purposes. This is Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, a marvel among smartphones. At only 6.81 millimeters slim and 158 grams light, it delivers lightning speed processing with a powerful display and powerful camera. It also comes with a large battery, fast charging, and much more. And so with NE, you have all the power you need to own your style. The newest member of a highly loved and popular series, Xiaomi 11 Lite family. Now, of course, Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE will also feature a light price. For the first 6 plus 128 variant, it will start from just 369 euros, a light phone and light on your wallet. And for those who want a higher RAM, the second variant of 8 plus 128 will start from just 399 euros,